This 5-minute solution will show you how to change your Roblox username without paying 1000 Robux. First of all, open your browser and type Roblox support. Open the first link and here write your Roblox account username. Write here your first name. Write the email address, which one is associated with your Roblox account. Confirm the email address here. And here select the device you are using Roblox. Type of help category, select here user safety concern. And in this drop down, select inappropriate experience or user behavior. And in this description box, you have to very carefully describe that you want to change your Roblox account username and submit this form and wait until Roblox change your username. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.